Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, the new Siri AI is one of the most exciting additions to iOS 27. It promises smarter conversations, better understanding of your requests, and deeper integration across apps. However, many users have found themselves waiting days or even weeks after joining the waitlist without receiving approval. After trying several methods, I discovered a new important things. First, make sure your iPhone is fully compatible with Siri AI and running the latest version of iOS 27. So guys, Apple often requires the newest software updates before granting access to certain AI features. So guys, next check your Siri settings and ensure Siri is enabled. It's also a good idea to set Siri language to a supported option such as English if available in your region. After that, restart your iPhone and reconnect to a stable internet connection. So guys, do this, and another powerful step is signing out your Apple account and signing back in. This can refresh your device connection with Apple servers and sometimes helps trigger pending feature activations. If you recently joined the waitlist, patience is also important because Apple is rolling out access in stages rather than enabling it for everyone at once. So guys, the biggest lesson I have learned is that there isn't a secret trick to instantly bypass the waitlist. Most successful fixes involve making sure your device meets all the requirements and waiting for Apple's approval access to complete. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.